Good morning. It is a fine day of November 25th, 2021. I am up. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired. And I am up preparing food for our Friendsgiving event. We don't really celebrate Thanksgiving, but when you're far away from home, we wanted to have like some type of home cooked meal where we can all get together, talk, enjoy ourselves. So my friend, I call her my Auntie Bev, and I have hosted an event, our first Friendsgiving in Lisbon. It's at a beautiful place, and I'm just going to kind of like a day in the life, getting some of this food ready, showing you what it looks like, because y'all know I can throw it down. But let's get this started. Okay, so yesterday I made my fresh chicken stock right here, fresh chicken stock. Here in Portugal, I could not find any chicken stock. They had like the chicken bouillon cubes, but they were just like really weird tasting. I cooked with them before and I just don't like the taste. They're like really, really, really salty. So I cut up some chicken, threw some veggies in there and put it in my Instant Pot. I have like a huge one right there. I also made my stuffing mixture with the red peppers, green peppers, onions, and that is going into the homemade stuff I'm making. This is what I'm using for breadcrumbs because there's no stuffing here, so I kind of had to improvise. So what I did was I smushed them up really small, and I'm making that. That is going to be my breadcrumbs. And then I have all these potatoes right here, which I'm making garlic mashed potatoes. They didn't have regular potatoes. They had the Yukon potatoes, which are horrible for making mashed potatoes with. I did 2 test runs with it and it was horrible. But I know red potatoes will not, fail me. And I also, they also have like these things called Picasso potatoes, which I never heard of before. So I had to look them up, and I just really did not want to take that chance in buying them, testing them, and then having to go back to the store. But I'm going to just film a little bit of what I'm doing as it's cooking. And then I'm going to take you guys along to the event, how we're setting up, and you guys will see how we really do here in Lisbon. Okay, this is the baked macaroni and cheese. It's not done yet. I still gotta put the last layer of cheese. This is the creamy mac and cheese. This is the stuffing. I just, don't judge my kitchen. It's a mess right now. I just put some of my fresh chicken stock I made last night on here, and I'm about to cover this with foil and put it in the oven. Okay, we just arrived here. We're out of breath, but we made it. We're still setting up. We're supposed to, it's after 12 right now, so we are, you see my hair? My hair's a mess too. I need to do it. But you're not in the camera. You're not in it. It's facing me. It's facing me. Oh. I got something for you. Yeah. Oh, your hair still looks cute too. Okay. I gotta go. All right, so far we have set up everything. There's so many people that are here. More people are arriving right now. I'm going to go check LT, which is Dan. He's making the turkey outside, and we're gonna see how that's looking so we can eat finally. So we got the man in the kitchen finally, making some sandwiches. Oh, they look good. Oh, of course I want to try one. Try that one right there. Let's see what this is. It's good. All right, here we are walking up like the maid access area. I know you probably cannot see me. It's so dark. Okay, so she told me to walk up here. It's like a shortcut, but this is like the service area. But I think this is it. Walk up 1 stairs. I think I walk up 1 more. I think this is, I gotta walk up another stairs. Oh my God, like the floors are like caving in up here. What in the entire heck? This is like kind of freaky, carrying tuna sandwiches through the back alleys. Okay, baby, we're gonna eat. Got Mariah up here, making that Kool-Aid. Food. Looking very crispy. It's delicious.
We have waited till Beverly came.
He's so turkey.
Oh, no. Not the cornbread.
A couple goats. Let's get a dog over here.
Hey, I am checking back in after the event. Yesterday was such a success. Actually, the next day after, it was just so many people that came out. It was the vibes, it was the community. Everyone loved the food, the mac and cheese. When I tell y'all, I slaved for those mac and cheeses. They was definitely on point. They liked the creamy, they liked the baked. Auntie Bev did her thing with her gumbo, her greens, sweet potatoes, corn. We just had so much food and it was just a vibe, no complaining. It was like more eating and enjoying each other's company. We did have food left over afterwards. So what we did, one of our friends named Naki that runs the African Lisbon tour, we went to where like a homeless area and we gave them the rest of the food that was left over. So it was definitely a great way to give back during this holiday season. But overall, I'm so happy. My heart is warm. So many new connections were formed. I met some new people. And that's just a really big part about living abroad and meeting people and hosting events like this is to make connections, make new memories. And you don't know, what information that person might have that, oh, hold on one second. So it's just all about the community and I love it here in Lisbon. And we're so excited to do some more events. So if you're watching this and you're in Lisbon or visiting Lisbon, definitely be on the lookout. I post in the Black to Portugal group and also the People of Color in Portugal, the POC in Portugal group. But hopefully you got a glimpse of what I did with my Auntie Bev. And I will check you guys on the next video. Hopefully you had a beautiful Friendsgiving and you ate a lot of food and you're enjoying leftovers. Bye.